This is the Xiaomi 15 with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, a whopping battery of 5400 mAh. And guys, now what I wanna do is test the charging. This thing comes with this brick here that is 90 watts. So I'm gonna hook it up. I've enabled all the faster charging options that I have, and I'm gonna put a timer down below and see if it can really go from 1 to 100% in 30 minutes. Alright, let's do this and see how fast this thing can go. This is the new Ripple animation. Quick charging at 90 watts max. Timer is here. Let's see how much time this thing is going to need to get from 0 to 100. You can see charging information here in real time. The charging options are like this. The wired charging mode is at top speed, because here you have standard and top speed, and you have also some options for the wireless. And as I am already charging, it's time to measure some temps. We're starting at 32 Celsius. All right, let's see how much we're gonna have when we reach 50% of the battery. And we're now at 42%, so let's see, 41.6. So apparently this mode is putting some heavy load to the phone. We're now at 64% and the temperature is still 41.6, so I hope it's not gonna go more than 42 Celsius. And yeah, let's see what is gonna happen. We still have a lot of charging to do. Are we gonna do this in 30 minutes? Well, let's see. And we're now at 78% and the temperature is still 41.7, not 42. All right, let's just see how much more time we're gonna need until we reach 100%. 89% and the phone temperature is 40.1, so for sure it's dropping, as I'm guessing it's not pumping so much watts. Let's see, 11 more minutes to go to 100%, and yeah, well, good luck. 97%, 6 minutes more to go, and we are at 38.2. One more time, 37.8. So for sure the phone is not pumping so much watts. 100% guys, 100%, and the end temp is 36.9. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm satisfied with the result, especially coming from phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where we do not have charging speeds like 90 watts. So what is important is not that I can get from 0 to 100 in like 40 minutes. What is important for me is that I can get from 0 to, let's say, 30% in maybe 15-20 minutes. Just do this quick top ups that I'm used to do so much with the S24 Ultra. Now, this phone lasts a whole day, so I don't really have to top it up during the day, and it's okay when I get up in the morning and it's not charged, just plug it, have a coffee, and then go out and enjoy 100% of battery. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Are you happy with the results? Do you think it's in line with what is advertised, or you think that Xiaomi should have used the mighty 120 watts charging? Thank you so much for watching. Go and watch some of my other videos. A lot of coverage on the Xiaomi 15 and the HyperOS version 2. Stay safe. Bye. 90 watts, 90 watts, 90 watts, 90 watts.